Stop waiting for the perfect setup. Seriously. You've been lied to by the trading gurus who tell you to wait for the stars to align. If you're sitting on your hands waiting for that beautiful, 100% guaranteed, textbook entry, you're not being disciplined. You're being a coward. The idea that trading success hinges on spotting a flawless pattern's the single biggest anchor dragging down your P&L. You think you're being patient, you're actually just paralyzed. The market doesn't reward perfection. It rewards consistency. And if you're waiting for the Holy Grail, you've already lost. We've all been there. You see the charts in the books where the divergence, the moving average, and the Fibonacci level line up like a cosmic event. It feels smart to wait for that, doesn't it? It feels risk-averse, but here's the reality. Waiting for the perfect setup's just a way to avoid the discomfort of being wrong. You're not seeking profit. You're seeking proof that you're right. You're prioritizing the feeling of security over the necessity of being in the game. That's not trading. That's therapy. You're trading your opportunity for a false sense of safety. Let's strip this fantasy bare. The perfect setup's a psychological safety blanket. It's fear of accountability wrapped in the guise of high standards. In a real-world trading environment, the one I operate in every day with 20 funded accounts, perfection's impossible. The market's chaotic, messy, and indifferent to your perfect flag pattern. Your confidence shouldn't come from the setup itself. It must come from your process. A good enough setup, executed consistently according to a profitable edge, will always outperform the one perfect setup you waited 3 days for. One trade's just noise. Consistency's the signal. Professional traders don't look for masterpieces. They look for repeatable, statistical advantages. If you want to move from a waiter to a trader, you need to change your execution today. Use these 3 rules. Number 1, define your minimum viable entry. Stop chasing 10 different criteria. Pick 3 objective, non-negotiable marks. Price above the level, momentum confirmed, and a 2-to-1 reward ratio. If it hits those 3, you take the trade, period. Your brain's no longer allowed to debate the nuances of candlestick shadows. Number 2, track execution volume, not quality. Stop judging your day by your P&L. Judge it by whether you executed your plan every time the entry appeared. If your plan dictates 5 trades and you took 5 entries, that's a winning day, regardless of the outcome. Volume builds the statistical mass you need to actually see your edge work. Number 3, speed over analysis. Your analysis should be done before the market opens. Once the session starts, your button press needs to be faster than your internal editor. If you see your setup form, act. Speed removes doubt. True confidence in this game doesn't come from predicting the future flawlessly. It comes from knowing, without a shred of doubt, that you'll handle whatever happens next according to a proven system. Stop hunting for the masterpiece. Start churning out consistent, solid work. The money isn't made in the perfect entry. It's made in the disciplined repetition of a good enough strategy. Get off the sidelines, stop waiting, start trading. Now get back to work.